necessarily need to bathe a chicken unless you had a muddy day or flooding or, natural disaster like hurricanes and such that can cause a chicken to get mucky. Generally, they have enough oils to keep their plumage protected. But if I do have to bathe a chicken, I either get an approved source of shampoo for if I am going to show a chicken, which you can always get from hatchery sites or Amazon. But if it's just an emergency, I just use Dawn dish soap. Just make sure that the soap doesn't get into the chicken's eyes. But other than that, you just bathe them in warm water, lather them in Dawn dish soap. I don't recommend blow drying the chicken because that will dry out the skin, but you can just take a towel and wipe it down and keep the chicken in a non-drafted area, which will allow it to dry naturally. But I wouldn't recommend to do this every single day, just in emergent cases.